All right, so obviously big announcement yesterday, but I want to focus on this morning's headlines, the back taxes that Apple has to pay. How big of a deal is it for the stock? We're seeing it move considerably lower in the pre-market, down more than 1%.
Yeah, I think more than 1% for a large cap stock like Apple isn't that big of a deal. But I think the important thing here is that Apple has set aside the money in an escrow account, and they will claim the money back in foreign tax credits in the US. So I wouldn't really worry for a company that has 50 billion plus of net cash on the balance sheet and generates $110 billion of cash flow last year about Apple's finances on the wake of this tax charge.
All right, so we're focusing on the stock move for Apple this morning after the news. But yesterday, after the big event, it was kind of meh. It was kind of meh, not a big reaction.
Yeah.
What was your take on that? First, I want to get your reaction to the stock move and just also your reaction to the announcements that Apple made.
Well, again, I think these stock moves of 1% or 2% in these large cap stocks are largely irrelevant. They're large and liquid, and there's going to be a huge amount of noise trading in these names. The important thing with these events is that the tech press and cognoscenti see incremental innovations and they're bored by them. And most ordinary consumers see a new phone. And the last note we did on Apple was called Circling the Wagons. It's about locking in that installed base and making sure they don't leave the ecosystem. And right now, Apple has about 1.2 billion iPhone users. They need to get about 18% or about less than 1 in 5 to upgrade this year to make this year a success. And I think next year you will see a new form factor, and you will also have all of those AI services rolled out where they have all the language variants, the Chinese and the French and the Spanish, all the stuff that they promised to come in 2025. By the time they launch their next iPhone a year from now, all of that will be in the market for people to try.
All right, so Richard, I'm actually not really clear how you feel about yesterday. I got to be honest, but I want to get your reaction to what analysts have to say and see if you agree or disagree. This is from Barclays on that Glow Time event. They said in part, we don't view the AI-related offerings as compelling enough in the near term to drive significant demand, given macro risk in China, you just mentioned China, and regulatory hurdles in Europe and China, limiting geographic reach of Apple Intelligence. Agree or disagree? You said that, the analysts and the experts, that they're kind of over just the idea of a new phone, but consumers, you think, might be more willing to adopt. But here, this is one of many analysts saying that they don't see this really driving iPhone churn or people buying new ones.
Okay. Again, you have to look at the factors which really drive churn. Things like carrier programs, the fact that people's phones degrade when they get old, the battery doesn't work as well, they break screens and so forth, and that people want this product that is the single tech product they use every day. I think people go really too far in the direction of scrutinizing these incremental, very, very narrow features and underestimate the fact that this is the #1 brand in the world. It's a terrific marketing company, and they have a huge number of users locked into their ecosystem. The question here is not whether people will churn out to another ecosystem, but whether Apple will come up with and market attractive features. For example, a hearing test, or very simple AI features that don't feel threatening to users that compel them to upgrade. And again, I think Apple as a company is very patient about not needing to hit quarterly numbers and not needing this cycle to be a huge success, knowing that they have such a large installed base and a new form factor coming in the next cycle.